everybody, today I'm going to be unboxing the GAN 356M Speed Cube. So, let me see how to open it. Okay, I figured it out. Okay, so how do you open it? Oh, like that. Ooh, okay. So it comes with this box. We'll come back to it. This is a little pamphlet thing. Alright, we have the actual box. Just gotta figure out how to open it. Okay, got it. There we go. I got some scissors here. Alright. Alright, so here it is. It feels really good. So, let me just really quick get to this while okay. So here we have the springs. These go into these centers to increase or decrease the intensity of how it moves. Here we have a pamphlet. I have no idea what it is. Or wait, I remember what it is now. Okay, so this is a tutorial on how to use the CFOP method, which is the speed method. And then we have a little bag for the cube. Okay, it says GAN cube and the cube fits in nicely. So yeah, I actually think that this is a nice cube. So yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you later. Bye.